Tourists will meet the local vendors.
यही नहीं अभी और
Wow. So they sell the local vegetables which are freshly brought from their own gardens and also the meat that they have prepared on their places.
Try one local dishes.
Sure, why not? Sure, why not?
कुछ भी कुछ भी
Delicious. Like so different and unique. Like what are the ingredients?
It is our ethnic food called okimu. It is made with local fish, sesame, turmeric, ginger, and garlic, wrapped around with fresh turmeric leaves and boiled, steamed in bamboo.
Okay, wow.
Never heard of before.
वाह दीदी वाह दीदी दीदी वाह दीदी
What is this?
दीदी दीदी